Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day? So do you know that there are some habits that you do that actually make your skin age, and there are some very simple ingredients that you actually neglect and your skin is going to be looking rough. Now today's video, I'm gonna be introducing to you a very healthy remedy that would help your skin glow, brighten, and you are going to be looking super young. Your skin is gonna be really soft and amazing. Trust me. Let me take you right into this video, okay? But subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, share the video, and let's go. Okay guys, so do you know that okra and the seed can actually change your skin for good? Now let me show you how. This is so amazing. So this is actually okra, okay? You can buy it in the local market. It is not far-fetched. Okay, so what we're going to be needing for this is the seed, and this is how you're going to fetch the seed. So I'm actually cutting the okra into several pieces so I can actually remove the seed. So after cutting it this way, this is the seed here. So you do it this way, open this one and then remove the seed. So these are the seeds of this okra. Okay, so you try to remove all of the seed. Okay, so this is it, and I have a whole lot of them here. Yeah, so I'm gonna be taking a few into this bowl, and what we're going to do is that we're going to be blending it. So I'm actually going to be turning into a blender, putting just a little water to enable me blend it. Now okra seed is not slimy, just like the okra veggie, which is this particular one. Okay, this one. Okay, so we'll blend. Okay guys, so after which we've blended the okra seed, this is what we have here, and I'm going to be turning that into a bowl, and this is how it is. Yeah, very good. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is very important, is potato. Now potato is a great remedy for the skin. Potato helps to shrink a large pores, it helps to make your skin healthy, and it glows the skin. It equally helps to remove pigments on the skin. Yeah, so potato is actually very important for this mix. Okay, okay, so after peeling, now I would have to cut it in pieces. So I'll then blend it, and you have to blend it to be really smooth. Yeah, just a little bit of water to enable the blending. Okay guys, so after blending it, this is how it looks like. And what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna be turning this, I'm gonna be turning it into the okra seed, and then give it a little stir. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing lemon. Now lemon contains vitamin C, and it contains a whole lot of nutrients that helps the skin glow, and it helps to nourish the skin. It also helps to remove dark spots, and it helps to tighten up the skin. So since I have a little cut of this lemon, and I'm not gonna be needing too much, because when it comes to your face guys, you don't need too much of lemon. Just a little bit of lemon is perfect. I would have squeezed that in, but I need to just cut it and keep that in my fridge. So I'm gonna be squeezing a whole lot of this, and I still do not need much, so I didn't squeeze all of them. So just a little is gonna go a long way, because I'm actually gonna be using it on the face. Yeah, and this is so superb, amazing. And then we're gonna be needing to use petroleum jelly. Okay guys, so if you cannot use petroleum jelly, you can actually replace it with coconut oil. Okay, because there are some skin type in which you don't need petroleum jelly. If you have excessive oily skin, you can replace the petroleum jelly with coconut oil. It works wonders, and it works better. But petroleum jelly is amazing here. It's great. Okay, it's gonna glow your skin. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to dissolve it in here. Okay guys, so to make everything better and work well, we're going to be needing to use tomato. Now tomato helps in closing large and open pores. It helps to remove all unwanted hair, and it also helps to keep the skin smooth, healthy and glowing. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to be slicing this tomato in pieces. Okay, and then we're going to blend it. We'll aid the blending by putting just a little water. Okay, so after that is blended, then we'll turn it into this mix. And this is superb, this is amazing, this is wonderful. Okay, so alright, Alright, so this is it, and this is so great. And what I'm going to do now is that we're going to go apply it on our face. Now you can apply this on your face at least 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week, as the case may be, depending on how strong you are to do this. So this is it. And so after you've actually mixed everything up, then what you do is that you're gonna grab your ice cube container, and then you put it in. Okay, so this is it. Now what we'll do is that we're going to go refrigerate it and let it freezing up, like let it be blocked, yeah, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so okra seed is actually very important, just like I said previously. Now it doesn't actually get slimy just like the leaf, okay, but it is superb. Like I've actually tried this and it has actually left my skin looking so amazing, looking so beautiful, looking so radiant. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please do not forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share the video. Comment, and I'll see you again. Bye.